Welcome. Today's lesson is about comments. This is the sixth lesson of Unit 0, and you will find everything we'll talk about in this lesson on page 18 and 19 of the attached PDF. Now, today we'll talk about how to use comment and the importance of good comment. Java comment are things that the compiler will not consider during the runtime. It will completely disregard, will not be computed, will not slow down your code, but will be very useful for yourself or for other people after you to understand the code. Now, the students don't like to put comment, but they are very, very important. And far ahead, when you start to deal with very complex algorithm, very complex program, you will see how it's easy to get confused without good comment. So why use them? You use for yourself as much as for other. For example, you write a program now. Now is all simple, all is clear in your mind, but in 1 month and with 1 year, maybe some difficult part, some complex, will take, again, a lot of time to understand in 1 year. If you write a meaningful comment, you will just read the comment and immediately understand it. The same goes for other. Maybe you are reading the code written by someone else, and if you don't understand it, or you need to spend a lot of time to understand, it would be a waste. So, if instead this other person write a good comment, and once you read the comment, you say, oh yes, it worked like this. It's easy. You will be very grateful. So try to do meaningful and good comment. Again, will not affect in any way your program. The compiler will totally skip any comment, will not be considered. And now let's look at this first program. Again, freeze the video, copy the content, and when you're ready, unfreeze it. After you have copied it, you should find yourself in this situation. Okay? This is what we call single line comment. Now, if you compile this and execute, you will see only this line, nothing else. So you can try more. You can add more comment. I can add here more comment. And I can even add here more comment. Always with this first two before. And anywhere else, okay? I can even put in the beginning more comments, okay? And compile it and execute. You will see again no difference. The comments are completely disregarded by the compiler. Now, let's look at the next example. This is called a multi-line comment. This time you will begin with this, divide and asterisk and divide. Now, sometimes it depends by the IDE, will write an asterisk after each, sometimes not. Now try to copy this, freeze the video, and we'll see later. Now you should find yourself in this situation. So we compile and execute. And again, after finding our terminal windows, you will see that here is the same. You will just see this. Again, you can add as many multi-line comment you want. Okay, you see. And this IDE BlueJ will do this way. And this will change nothing the output will be the same, always the same. Now, this is a multi-line comment, and I want you to understand. Students don't like to write comment. They find it superfluous. They find it's a waste of time. But you must write it and you must get used. And I will ask you to write as many as possible because it's important that you get used. Later on, maybe you will write less, but right now, every time you do something, you write a line of comment. So slowly you will get used, and this habit will be ingrained in yourself and will be very important for your future and also for your work. For today is all. See you next time.